Hello guys, this is Sorkran from ITBHU and let's solve today a problem or basically there's a combination of three problems. So let's solve one by one. The first problem is from integration 3 e raised to the power x plus of 5 sin x plus of 10 cos x divided by e to the power x plus 4 sin x plus 3 cos x. If we observe one thing, it is equal mx plus n ln of this Nichi value, right? That implies the idea which we should use while solving this problem. The derivative of this kind of expression will also this kind of expression that is the constant may vary, but the idea is simply same. But we have to utilize it. The derivative of this derivative is actually of this form, right? Sine, cos, and the e to power will term will introduce while differentiating this expression. So that is the idea while solving this problem. Okay, so 3 e raised to the power x plus 5 sin x plus 10 cos x is equals a multiplied by नीचे वाली वैल्यू e की पावर x प्लस 4 sin x प्लस 3 cos x। ठीक है, इसको क्या क्या डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया, e की पावर x प्लस 4 cos x minus of 3 sin x। So it will be equals e की पावर x into a plus b plus of sin x into 4a plus 4b। Wait a while, there is a slight mistake. Fine. So sine term will be from 4a minus 3b plus cosine of x, that is 3a plus 4b. Okay. So it will be equals a plus b is equals 3, 4a minus 3b is equals 5, and 3a plus 4b is equals to 10, right? So from this and this, what we can say is a equals to 2 and b is equals to 1. And this value 4 into 2 minus 3, right, also satisfies. That implies a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3, right? So let's call this expression whole as a whole. Let's call this expression as a whole as f of x, right? And this expression is basically, right, f dash x. So what we can write, afx afx plus bf dash x divided by f of x dx, right? We have to integrate this value, and a is 2 and b is 1, right? And what information which we additional know that is a is 2 and b is 1. So what we can write, 2 f of x divided by f of x plus f dash x divided by fx integration, that is equals 2x plus ln of fx, 2x plus ln of fx and plus c also, and fx equals e to the power x plus 4 sin plus 3 cos. So we write 2x plus ln of e to the power x plus 4 sin x plus 3 cos x. Okay, that is so we got m is equals to 2 and n is equals to 1. So m square plus n square is 5. Okay, this problem is done. Let us solve the problem number 4. It is given y square is less than equals to 4x, x is less than 4, and xy x minus 1 x minus 2. Okay, xy x minus 1 x minus 2 on x minus 3 into x minus 4 is positive and x not equals to 3. This value is positive given y square less than equals to 4x, x less than 4. We have to demonstrate what is the area bounded by such kind of figures, right? ये जो फिगर तैयार होगा इन्फॉर्मेशन का यूज करते हुए, उस एरिया क्या बनने वाला है, तो चलिए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन और सेकंड इन्फॉर्मेशन को यूटिलाइज किया, तो यहाँ से ध्यान से देखा जाएगा तो क्या होगा। वो पहले तो ये बना लिया वाई स्क्वायर, ये वाला जो पूरा रीजन है, ये जो पॉइंट है, ये कितना हो जाएगा 1,0। काम किया, इसको मिटा दिया, इसको अलग 1,0, और यहाँ पे कहीं आके आएगा 4,0, राइट। दैट इज बेसिकली एक्स इक्वल्स टू 4। सो इसके अंदर रहना है, इसके पीछे रहना है बेसिकली, तो इसके अंदर रहना है। तो ये जो रीजन है बेसिकली, ये वाला रीजन आ रहा है, और वो बोल रहा है, इसके अंदर रहना है। तो एक और चीज तो बिल्कुल समझ में आती है कि एक्स जो है बेसिकली पॉजिटिव तो होगा ही। यहाँ से देखिए, ये जो एक्सप्रेशन दिया हुआ है, एक्स वाई इंटू x-1 इंटू x-2 अपॉन x-3 इंटू x-, पॉजिटिव, एक्स पॉजिटिव है तो इसको रिमूव कर दिया, इसको रिमूव करते जाएंगे, उसको हटाते जाएंगे, ऐसे हटा दिया। और अगर x इज बेसिकली लेस देन 4, राइट, दैट इम्प्लाइज x-4 इज नेगेटिव। सो ये वैल्यू वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, तो इसको इसको भी हटा दिया। तो ये क्या बचेगा, y इंटू x-1 इंटू x-2 अपॉन x-3 इज लेस देन 0, राइट। केस 1, केस 1 लिया, जब y की वैल्यू क्या है, पॉजिटिव। जब y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो क्या होगा, x-1 इंटू x-2 अपॉन x-3। ये केस 1 का कंक्लूजन है बेसिकली, अपॉन x-3 is less than 0. So, with this information, what we can write 1, 2, 3. That is positive, negative, right? We have to comment on negative values. So this and this. So 0 to 1 and 3 to 4, right? So it is basically 2 there, something, and 3 there, 0 to 1 and 3 to 4. And y should be positive, right? So let us 0 to 1, 3 to 4. This reason and this reason. Okay, okay, 2, 0, or this point will be 3, 0. Or if y will be a positive quantity, this thing will be just reverse, right? So x-1, x-2 upon x-3 should be positive. So we got 1, 2, 3, positive, negative, 1 to 2 and 3 to. Oh, wait a while. This slight mistake, right? We have to come to the negative. So 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 will be there, right? 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 will be there. 0 to 1 and 2 to 3. So it implies this reason. And as far as this is concerned, it is between 1 to 2 and 3 to infinite. 3 to 4 हो जाएगा. तो ये वाला reason. But which time? But when y will be negative, this reason. When y is negative, this reason. This and this. So when you will flip this values, so this will be basically this kind of, right. It is 4 and it is 0. The whole will come, right. So the effectively, effectively, what we can say is effectively half of this area. So what we can write, 0 to 4. It is y square equals 4x on the upper boundary, right? So we have to take a positive value for for this loop. For this loop, we have to take a positive value, right? So what we can write, 2 root x dx minus 0. इस बाउंड्री को फिक्स करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा y इक्वल्स टू 0, और ये हो जाएगा y इक्वल्स टू 2 root x. So minus 0 dx. So this it will be the answer basically. So let us evaluate 2 times integration 0 to 4 root x dx. So it will be equals to into x की power 3 upon 2 upon divided by 3 by 2, that is 4 by 3 x की power 3 by 2, 0 to 4. That is equals 4 by 3 into 4 cube power 3 by 2. And that is equals 32 divided by. Okay, fine. So let us move 32 divided by 3. So the answer of this problem is 32 divided by 3. Okay, so let us move on the third problem. It is given there are 20 observation x1, x2, so x20. And if you mean of this expression, xi plus I, is a quite a easy problem. But for the sake of completeness, I'm solving this problem. 20 observations are given x1, x2, say x20, and this value it is given. The variance of this value, fine. So what we can write, xi, the variance of xi minus k square will be equals xi minus, basically it is value of this value is same for any value of k. So let us evaluate the expression first. This value variance, right? This value is xi minus 5 का स्क्वायर का जो वेरिएंस आएगा वो निकालते हैं. कैसे निकालेंगे? सिग्मा xi minus 5 का स्क्वायर by n, no doubt, minus sigma xi minus 5 upon n square. Fine. So this value is basically this kind of expression value, and k value will fluctuate, but the variance will not change, right? So this value is given, that is 100, and the number of terms are 20. So it is 100 divided by n, that is 20, minus. Let us focus on this value. How we can calculate the summation of xi minus 5, right? So information is given, no doubt. So sigma xi plus sigma I divided by 20 is equals 15.5, right? And I is between 1 to 20. So we got sigma xi plus 20 into 21 divided by 2, that is equals 15, 155 into 2, right? So 155 multiplied by 2, that is equals 150 plus 5 to 2, that is 300. So we got a 310, 210. That implies sigma xi plus 210 is equals 310. That implies sigma xi is 100. ठीक है, तो इसकी वैल्यू 100 हो जाएगी. यहाँ से देखिए, हम xi माइनस 5 कैलकुलेट करना है, तो सिग्मा xi माइनस 5 कितना हो जाएगा? Sigma xi minus sigma 5, that is 20. So this value is basically 100, and this value will be 5 into 20. So this will be 0. So error initially, fine, fine. Okay. So this value gonna be 0. So it will equals to 5. Okay. तो ये हो जाएगा variance sigma square basic is equals this value, and that is equals 5. So for this expression is lambda by 4. So but we can write 5 by 4, that is 1 point. So this problem is also one. So this about this all these problems, all three problems basically are, this is a pretty good problem, excluding this one, but the idea is good. If you don't know initially, the idea was cool, and the rest two was also good problems. So I hope you enjoyed this problem. If you're enjoying this videos, please share it, like it, subscribe it to my channel, because this is the motivation, and I hope you will do so. Thanks. Thank you.